At the handing-over ceremony hosted at the Ministry of Health's Brickdam office on Wednesday, the first batch of 100 vials of Remdesivir was presented to the Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony, by Managing Director of Ansa Mcal, Troy Cadogan. Cadogan stated that his company wanted to aid the country's fight against COVID-19 from a pharmaceutical perspective. In so doing, a number of suppliers were contacted in a bid to procure the essential drug. He noted that a second batch will also be donated to the ministry later this month.
So this was a collaborative effort between the minister and myself in terms of bringing this donation. So this is the first batch of 100 vials, and we have a second batch of another 100 vials, which will be with us over between the next weekend. So basically the donation is 200 vials, and it's a substantial, mind you, a substantial donation towards the government of Ghana and people of Ghana.
Dr. Anthony, in receiving the donation, noted that it is indeed timely for patients currently battling the disease.
The challenge that we have is that sometimes for one patient, we have to use 10 of these for the course of treatment. So it is timely, and I'm sure it's going to help some of our patients.
He drew attention to the need for more private and public sector partnerships in response to the outbreak.
We all have to work together to ensure that we have control over COVID-19. Some partners are better at other things than others. So for example, you have been able to leverage your expertise in pharmaceuticals to bring this for us. Others maybe have their expertise, say, in PPE. But whatever it is, we need that type of collaboration and cooperation so that we can provide the optimum care for patients who would need this assistance.
Remdesivir, which was once used against Ebola, was approved for treatment of COVID-19 patients by the United States Food and Drug Department on October 22. The intravenous drug is touted as efficient in reducing patients' hospital stay. It is currently being administered to patients experiencing severe to critical COVID-19 symptoms. Tamika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.